Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.